Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Aksa Zafar. Today I will show you how to start learning data science for free. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do and where to find the best free resources. So let's get started. The first skill you need is programming. Python is a great choice for beginners because it's easy to learn and widely used. These are some free resources to learn Python: Introduction to Python Programming on Udacity, the Python tutorial on Python.org organization, and YouTube channels like CSDozo and CoreSheffer. If you prefer R programming, you can use these resources: R Basics on Udemy and R Programming on Coursera. I have put all the links in the description below. When I began with Python, I tried to tackle complex projects too soon. Start with basic concepts like variables, loop, and functions before moving on to more advanced topics. One key mistake I made was not writing enough code. Practical experience is crucial. Make sure to solve coding challenges and build small projects to apply what you learn. Next, you need to understand math and statistics. This helps in analyzing data and choosing the right algorithms. Focus on linear algebra, probability and statistics, multivariate calculus, and optimization methods. You can check out these free math and statistics resources: Intro to Statistics on Udacity, Statistics and Probability on Khan Academy, and Mathematics for Machine Learning on Coursera. I have put all the links in the description below. I struggled with multivariate calculus initially because I skipped foundational concepts. Make sure you thoroughly understand linear algebra and basic calculus before diving into more complex topics. For statistics, practice applying concepts to real data sets to see how they work in practice. After learning math and programming, you need to know about data science libraries. These tools make working with data easier. For Python, learn NumPy for numerical operations, Pandas for data handling, Matplotlib for charts, and scikit-learn for machine learning. You can check out these free resources to learn about the libraries: Learn NumPy Fundamentals on Udemy, Pandas documentation, and Matplotlib guide by FreeCodeCamp. I have put all the links in the description below. I would suggest starting with NumPy to get comfortable with numerical operations. Once you are familiar with that, move on to Pandas for data manipulation. After mastering the basics, you can explore Matplotlib for data visualization and scikit-learn for machine learning. I made the mistake of not spending enough time exploring the documentation, which I would not recommend you do the same. Take the time to understand how each function works and experiment with them. Next, you need to learn SQL for managing and storing data. SQL lets you work with databases, making it easier to search, organize, and get information. It's a key skill for handling data and will help you work efficiently with structured data. These are some free resources to learn SQL: W3 Schools, SQL for Data Analysis on Udacity, and SQL Crash Course on Udemy. I have put all the links in the description below. I used to think SQL was not very important and I had a hard time with database queries. I suggest practicing different types of SQL queries and learning about joins, subqueries, and indexing. It's important to know how to get and change data effectively. Alright, let's talk about data visualization. This is crucial for showing your results clearly. These are some great tools you can use: Tableau, Power BI, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. Now, which one should you choose? Don't worry, let me guide you. Go for Tableau if you need to create interactive dashboards and explore large data sets. It's perfect for more advanced and detailed visualization. Choose Power BI if you are working with Microsoft tools like Excel. It's super easy to use and great for quick reports and visuals. If you are using Python, Matplotlib is a great choice for making charts and graphs. It works well with your Python projects. Seaborn is also for Python users. Seaborn builds on Matplotlib and makes it easier to create beautiful and insightful charts. To learn data visualization, you can check these resources: Data Visualization on Udacity and Fundamentals of Visualization with Tableau on Coursera. I have put all the links in the description below. At first, I focused too much on learning tools and didn't think enough about designs. It's important to know how to share your findings clearly with visuals. I suggest practicing with different charts and dashboards and looking at good examples. I made the mistake of not asking for feedback. Feedback helps you improve your designs. Finally, you need to understand machine learning. This involves learning different types of algorithms and how to apply them. You can learn machine learning with these free resources: Machine Learning free course on Udacity and Machine Learning by Stanford University on Coursera. I have put all the links in the description below. I found machine learning algorithms overwhelming at first because I didn't focus on the basics. You should start with simpler algorithms like linear regression before moving to more complex ones like neural networks. Also, work on small projects to apply these algorithms. One mistake I made was trying to use advanced techniques too early. First, build a solid understanding of fundamental concepts. To test your skills, participate in data science competitions. Platforms like Kaggle offer many challenges where you can apply what you have learned. You can also check out these platforms for practicing your data skills: Driven Data, Coda Lab, and IronViz. These are great places to test your knowledge and improve your skills in real-world scenarios. Competitions were a great way for me to apply my knowledge and learn new techniques. Start with beginner-level competitions to build your confidence and gradually move to more challenging ones. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Use them as opportunities to learn and improve. Now let's look at some projects you can try based on your skill level. If you are a beginner, start with simple projects. Try the Titanic survival prediction or the iris flower classification project. These will help you practice basic machine learning concepts and data handling. For intermediate learners, move on to projects like customer segmentation or sentiment analysis on product reviews or social media posts. These will challenge you with more complex data and help you improve your skills. For advanced learners, take on projects like stock price prediction or image classification using deep learning. These will push your skills and help you learn advanced techniques. And that's all for today. I hope you find these tips and resources helpful. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.